Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You're starting by powering off and unplugging the Benq monitor. This avoids shorts and lets you handle it safely. Once done, lay the screen face down on a soft, clean surface to protect the panel. Now locate the release or locking screw at the stand base, often hidden under a plastic cap or at the hinge. Use the correct screwdriver, apply steady pressure, and turn counterclockwise until the locking mechanism disengages so the stand can be moved. With the lock released, support the monitor with one hand so it won't tilt or drop, and expose the hinge screws or latch. Remove the visible screws using the proper bit, keeping them separated and noting their lengths. Some are shorter at the hinge. Once screws are out, depress the release tab or slide the hinge upward. You'll feel the bracket disengage from the VESA plate. This separates the stand while protecting the internal mount, so proceed slowly to avoid snapping plastic clips. To finish, lift the stand straight off the VESA plate while supporting the monitor. A tilted pull can damage the bracket. Inspect the connection area for debris, warped plastic, or cracked clips. Replace parts if you see damage. Make sure any detachable cable clips or covers are removed and store the screws and small parts in a labeled bag for reassembly. If the stand won't release, try loosening adjacent screws a quarter turn or press the release tab firmly. This usually frees a stubborn mechanism.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.